Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your age on Discord using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and log in your Discord account. And once you've done that, I want you to do is to open a new tab and search for support. So now just go ahead and click here at the submit a request and click on the drop down button at the what can we help you with and click trust and safety. You need to put your email address. How can we help? You want to put on appeals, age update, other questions. And here you want to click here at the appeal and action taken on my channel. Sorry, you need to choose the update my age information. Phone number, it is optional, so I won't put mine. So now your date of birth. Okay, so you want to type the birthday that you want to put on your Discord. Okay, so you need to put first the month, date, and year. For example, that one. Now you want to check this, and for the subject, I'm just gonna put date of birth. And the description, I want to update my age. Also, you can attach a file here. For example, your birth date on your account, right? So if you want the help support of Discord that will see your recent birth date, you can just go ahead and attach that file here and just go ahead and check again your informations, especially your birthday. And once you're happy with that, just go ahead and click on submit. Okay. So just go ahead and wait for the confirmation of the Discord. Okay. Just check your email. So that's it. That is how you change your age on Discord. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.